I'm going to give you the formula in this video to make sure that you guarantee success with selling on Amazon, but also with any goal that you have. I'm going to make it so stupid simple, and it's not going to be for those people who want a solution in the next 5 minutes. How can I make this successful by tomorrow? It doesn't work like that. You're going to be endlessly in this cycle of I make progress because I'm motivated and inspired in this moment. I run into resistance, so then I revert back to where I was, and then I stop for a while, and then I repeat that cycle over and over and over again. You, my friend, have developed a habit of quitting where you make progress, gets hard, you quit, then you start that cycle over and over again, but you never make any substantial progress. Trust me, that was my entire life up until a couple of years ago. The biggest thing when it comes to making Amazon work and making anything work is simply belief. Belief that it can be done and belief that it can be done by you. And it seems very simple, but a lot of people completely forget this. Let me give you an example. Amazon was super lenient on ungating, super lenient for a couple of years. When I first started, it was really hard. You could have the most legit invoice. It was very difficult to get approved. You have to reapply over and over and over again, and there was no information on how to do it. So we had to just figure it out on our own. Then we hit a couple of years where, like around 2020 to 2023-ish, where you could literally upload a picture of your cat and you would get approved. Now Amazon has pulled the reins back. They've put higher quantity requirements. They've also made it harder if you don't have those sales metrics. Overall, it's harder in comparison to what it was a couple of years ago, right? So what did that do? It caused a lot of people to leave the platform. It caused a lot of creators to quit the business. It caused a lot of people to just say, Amazon this, Amazon that, and then they end up quitting, right? It doesn't work anymore. Amazon's dead. They're making it harder for sellers, blah, 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 blah. But the people who stayed, what did they do? They continued to have success. Say what you will about the Amazon community, but one thing about the Amazon community is that they are fucking resourceful by always finding a way to win. That's what we do. We always find a way to win. My mantra for my entire life has always been, I will figure it out. No matter what, it doesn't matter how chaotic things look. My mantra has always been, I will always figure it out. And with Amazon, it's the exact same thing. We always figure it out. There's always a workaround. So while everyone believed that the opportunity was now gone and it was now so much harder to actually make this successful and actually make money, that caused tons of people to leave the platform. The people who stayed continued to build their business. They continued to make money. Look, this is Carolina. $500 for inventory when she was starting out. Previously, they tried real estate for like 2 years. Couldn't make it work. They come to Amazon. Just a couple months ago, 150 days ago, in 150 days, she started with $500 for inventory, much less than a lot of you. Last month, she made almost $2,000 in profit. This is Mark Crocker from zero, 6 months ago, never sold anything online. He quit his job, built this business up to 50K last month. These are just a couple of examples. Heechin's a college kid, started this business with $1,500. In 215 days, he hit a 40K month. Couple weeks ago, he sent me an update. He's at like a 21K week. And I just share this with you so that you can see the people who stay and figure it out, because they have the belief that this business is possible, they always pull through. They always find a way to win. Let's go to the ungating. This is Danielle. She hit 6 figures with only having to ungate manually twice. Twice. I have people in my DMs non-stop. I can't find any inventory. I can't get ungated. Everything is restricted. I can't sell anything. Amazon this, Amazon that, blah, 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 blah. Guys, if there are other people finding success in the exact business model that you're trying to find success in, there is no reason why you can't do the same. All that they have that is different than you is belief. Belief that it can be done and belief that it can be done by them. But if you sit there and you see people succeeding, and then you talk shit to yourself, and you talk shit about the business model that you're trying to figure out, even though it has been proven thousands of times, you're going to stay in the same place. And you don't realize that the only person sabotaging your success, the only person holding you back, it's not Amazon, it's you. Anytime that you run into resistance, you cower, you break, you crack. And then we stop and we start over again when we get a little motivated, or we go and pursue something else, some other shiny object. But it doesn't matter what you pursue. The cycle will always be the same because you haven't learned to have just belief. Belief that is built through consistent action, even when you are struggling. Belief is not manufactured by sitting at home and doing nothing. Belief is manufactured by action. Action will cure everything. Everything in your life. If you just start acting towards the direction that is related to the goal, and you let God handle the rest, as long as you are showing up, there's no way that you can fail. But it's all about the belief that it can be done and the belief that it can be done by you. If you do that, it doesn't fucking matter what you're trying to accomplish. You will get there. Like literally, it's just a matter of time. If you come in and you think that you have the belief, but then you run into resistance and you back out, you don't have the belief. You have the belief that this should be easy. You have the expectation that you should have this figured out by next week. And my man, I hate to break it to you, this is business. We're trying to create an income online that is already a rare thing to do in society, and you want to have it figured out starting from zero next week. It doesn't work like that. You don't have belief. You have delusion. And look, I get it. Some people want the strategies and the tactics, and that's all that they want to hear. But if you can't fix what's up here, you can't fix the mental programming that you're running on every single day, that script that you're just replaying over and over in your head. If you can't fix that, it doesn't matter what the fucking tactic is. Doesn't matter. I could give you the whole blueprint, but if you don't have that mental programming in check and you don't realize that you need to make your mindset and your mentality your biggest asset, doesn't fucking matter what I tell you. You're not going to show up. And if you're not going to show up, the strategy is irrelevant. If I wanted to get in shape, Arnold Schwarzenegger could come down here and say, hey, you need to eat like this. You need to train like this. Hey, he obviously knows what he's talking about. But if I don't show up every single day and I don't cultivate that belief through daily action, it's just shit written on a piece of paper. Might as well be garbage. So the two beliefs that can change your entire life: belief that it can be done and belief that it can be done by you. A lot of people look at somebody else and they say, oh, he did it because of this, he did it because of that. I couldn't do that. Guys, if it has been done by another man, there is no reason why you can't do the same. They are just a little further ahead than you. That's all. They are just on chapter 5 and you are starting at chapter 1. It's that simple. If you implement this, it'll change the game for you.